Hello everyone, I'm Plant Girl and welcome back to my channel. So today I have two new packages bought from Amazon, and in those both I have new plants here. So we are going to unbox it together and see the condition of those plants, if they are doing fine or is there any issue or what. So I'm really very much excited because one of those is a bonsai and this is going to be my first ever bonsai. So I'm really very excited. And another one is a common plant, which is a lucky bamboo plant bought from Ugao. Actually, I have got it for much lower price than the actual Ugao side. So keep watching this to know how I have bought it. And without further ado, let's begin.
So here is our first package, which already says bonsai plants, and on the other side we can see smile please. So I hope this plant brings smile on our face. So I was very excited to open it, and very precisely and carefully I started cutting the tape from the upper side of the box. And after seeing the plant, this was my first reaction.
आई खरंच चांगलं आहे.
And then I tried to remove our plant from this box, but because I was unable to do that properly, I took help from my mom and we were finally able to open it.
Okay, so this is the plant. डिलिव्हरी होतीये ऑनलाईन. किती दिवस जातात? 3-4 दिवस शिपिंग मध्ये जातात. हा बॉक्स वाकडा तिकडा कसा येऊ शकतो, पण हे व्यवस्थित राहिलं. अँड फॉर दॅट आय वॉन्टेड टू शो यू. This is the way they have packaged this. So the packaging was really nice, and due to that, even during the shipping time, it stayed really nice. I'm very happy today.
And then I started slowly unwrapping this plastic covering everything. This our main bonsai, it was covered with this plastic just for protection from outside elements, and this is how it is looking after opening it. So now let me tell you some additional information about this bonsai. So firstly, talking about the seller and the price, as you can see in this screenshot, it was for just rupees 444, and the seller is Abana Homes, and this is a Ficus Microcarpa 3-year-old bonsai plant. And if you don't know what a bonsai is, it's actually a Japanese art form that started more than 1,000 years ago. The word bonsai simply means planted in a container. The idea is to grow a normal tree or plant in a small pot, but with a careful pruning, winning, and training. It takes the shape of a beautiful miniature tree that looks just like the big ones in nature. Ficus is one of the most popular choice for bonsai, especially for beginners because it's hardy, fast growing, and adapts well indoors. This plant has a thick trunk, glossy green leaves, and sometimes even develops those beautiful aerial roots which give it an old and artistic look. And this one being my first bonsai ever, I think I made the right choice by choosing this plant. So now let's move to our second item we brought in this purchase. And this is the box which is containing our lucky bamboo plant. So this whole packaging is from Ugao side only, though we have bought it from Amazon. So I'm just removing the tape now, and let's see how our lucky bamboo is. Gently removing all the items whichever we are having in this package. This is our plant, and this is the glass bowl. So when I look carefully at this glass bowl, I could see there is a very small crack over here. So that is something that could have happened during the transit. And this is a little note which they have shared with us. Congratulations on buying this plant. And on other side we have all the care tips for this plant. And this is the main thing, our lucky bamboo plant, and I'm very much excited to open this and see how our plant is. So after carefully removing all the rubber bands, this is our plant. It is very lush green, and it is again wrapped in some other plastic. Some moisture is there, I could see, and After opening that as well, this is how our plant is looking. The roots are very healthy, and the bottom layer we can see these are some jelly balls, so crushed jelly balls. The moisture should retain in the plant during the shipment and the transit process, so that would be the basic reason for that. So now talking about seller and the price of this plant. So as I have conveyed earlier only, the seller is Ugao, and this plant was just for rupees 199 from Amazon. So even though it's called a bamboo, it's not actually a bamboo. It belongs to the Dracaena family. This is often grown in water or soil, and it's believed to bring good luck, positivity and prosperity. So the one which we have right now, I can see the roots are really very nicely grown. And considering the price and the quality of plant, I will be ignoring the broken glass because this plant is a complete 10 on 10.
So these were both our plants and both are doing absolutely fine, and I was literally shocked by seeing the condition, because till now whatever online plants I have bought from like random platforms like Amazon or the affordable organic store as well, so most of the times the plants do not survive the shipping shock. But this our beautiful bonsai, this is doing really very nice. It is actually, the packaging was really very good, and that is the reason it is surviving very nicely. And talking about the another plant, our lucky bamboo from Ugao. So this is not my first time purchase from them. I have bought the lucky bamboo, same lucky bamboo from them earlier as well, and that to survive for 2 to 3 years actually. But after some period, it started getting yellow. So I wanted it again, and hence I bought it this time. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. So if you are interested to buy any of these plants, I will be sharing the direct link to buy from Amazon in the description box below. So make sure you go through it, and if you want to buy, you can buy it from the same link. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, do hit on the like button. Share this with your friends who would love buying products online regarding gardening and plants. Comment down your thoughts on this in the comment section below. Also, if you want me to explore or buy some new plants or any specific thing online regarding plants or gardening, do share those things in the comment section below so that I will try to buy it next time and review. I make videos related to plants and gardening, so if you are into it, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot again. We will meet soon in my new video. Till then, bye bye.